Discover a powerful free tool that turns AI-written content into natural human-like text in seconds, perfect for bloggers and content creators who want to beat AI detectors effortlessly. Try it now and take your content to the next level. Today we have a simple website, but it's worth its weight in gold. On Google, type aihumanizer.net. Choose the first result and you'll be taken to the website's page. It's a very simple and completely free site. Now, let's write any article using ChatGPT. For example, I'll ask it to write a 300-word article about the importance of love. All right, the topic is now ready. All you have to do is copy the text and go to the website. Paste the text into the box on the right. The site offers several modes such as casual, formal, and academic. Let's choose casual as an example. Click on Humanize AI and wait for the result. Okay, it looks like the article has been converted into 100% human-like writing. But let's test it on one of the popular AI content detection websites. We'll choose GPTZero. Now we paste the result into the designated area and wait. Look at the result. 99% human-written content. This is unbelievable. This is an amazing website for bloggers and content creators. And best of all, the site is completely free and supports multiple languages. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.